The exported files can be saved into any cloud provider which allows public viewing of files. In our second part of the tutorial, we will export two options for the tower, which will be uploaded onto the cloud. First, we will import the plot and road data to Mobius. Select the plot for generating the Podium Tower options. Then, generate options for the Podium Tower using global user-defined functions with an if-else condition. Export the tower options and save it to the local storage. Using the dashboard here, you can export and save the options of tower one after the other. By clicking on the local storage, you can view the GI files saved. Select the files and click Download. These models are uploaded to the cloud.